The IRS has received transaction history records from almost every single U.S. exchange, including Coinbase, Kraken, Poloniex, Circle, Binance International, BitMEX. It receives all their transaction histories from the year 2016 forward. Now, most of the time, if you reported your crypto income, they can only go back 3 years. But why are they going back to 2016? This is a very important question. I think anybody who was a trader, particularly in the year 2017, needs to ask themselves, if you were let's say you had significant trading activity in 2017, and if you did not report any of that on your tax return, or if you only reported those transactions you went to cash, you are in a very risky position. And the reason you're in a risky position is that the IRS accumulated that data. They can see the full volume, let's say the total proceeds of all the trading activity you did. And they can easily come back after people years later. Why is that? Because they would consider, if you didn't report all the trading activity, they consider that fraudulent. When they look at something and they decide there's a fraudulent return and they can prove it, then you lose all statute of limitations protection. Let me tell you an example. The IRS has charged a couple from Connecticut for failing to report $8 million of income that they received during 2006 through 2010. They did file tax returns, but they left off $8 million collectively of income. They just charged them here now, 2024, 14 years later. The interest on what they didn't pay is going to be greater than the taxes. The penalties that they will pay are going to be greater than the taxes. These people are subject to 5 years of prison, plus fines and etc., for things that they failed to do 14 years ago. If you're someone who made a serious amount of money in 2017 on crypto trading and didn't report it all, and I mean all, I would highly recommend you call our offices. There are things you can do to close that chapter on your past, because the IRS has the data, and as we all know, the blockchain data never lies. It's like digital fingerprints. It'll come back to haunt you, and they have all the time in the world to do that. So, but there are things you can do to protect yourself, to mitigate your risk, and to make your life more certain in the future that you'll be safe. So please give our offices a call. Contact me on our website, CryptoTaxAudit.com. I'd love to talk to you about it. I want you to have a peaceful future.
Thank you very much for listening to today's show, and I hope you enjoy it. Please give us comments. We would love to respond to any questions you give us. You have tax questions that we can apply to. We will try to address it in future shows. Please hit like, subscribe, follow. Thank you. Have a great day.
The Clinton Donnelly Show, where we explore how taxation and regulations of cryptocurrencies affect your daily life as an investor. Clinton has a law degree in international financial regulation. He is an enrolled agent and certified as a cryptocurrency anti-financial crime specialist. He has clients in 71 countries. He is one of the top experts in crypto taxation in the US. This show is sponsored by CryptoTaxAudit.com, the income tax experts for US crypto investors. Are you frustrated with using online crypto tax services to calculate capital gains? Are you a high-frequency trader, DeFi, NFT, play-to-earn, or whale investor? Nothing is too complicated for the experts at CryptoTaxAudit.com. Are you frustrated that your accountant doesn't understand crypto taxes? Crypto Tax Audit uses a proven, bulletproof crypto tax return methodology to prepare a tax return that doesn't attract the attention of the IRS. Crypto Tax Audit also offers an exclusive audit defense membership service. It's like car insurance for your tax return. If your return gets selected for an audit of crypto reporting, they will defend you at no additional charge for the entire life of the audit. No one offers anything like audit defense membership. Go to CryptoTaxAudit.com to learn more and schedule a private tax consultation now. The opinions expressed in this show are not legal advice. Tax and regulations are complicated. Your situation is unique, so you should always consult a tax professional.